Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I would like to talk about my honest observation when it comes to Jamaican foods and Ghanaian foods. So I have been in the USA for quite a year now, and I can barely find anything African or Ghanaian to eat. So I decided to try Jamaican food as an alternative and let you guys know what I really think, since I've heard a lot about Jamaican foods and African food having similarities. So this one right here is Jamaican jerk chicken, and I ordered this from DoorDash, and it was around $14, which is around like 80 cities in Ghana. A little bit pricey compared to what we have right here, but I can understand it is in the USA, so everything will probably be expensive. But I'll be enjoying this meal, and when I'm done, I'll just let you guys know what I really think. So stay tuned. So guys, I'm done enjoying the food, and I can tell you this food is really good, but trust me, there's no similarities. Like, I can barely tell if this is a Ghanaian food or not. It is really close when it comes to how it tastes, especially the type of spices they use and how spicy the food is. You can barely tell, because in Ghana we actually make our food spicy, but I can tell that Jamaican foods are spicier a little bit compared to Ghanaian food. Also, one thing I noticed is in Ghana we make our rice a little bit soft. So not a little bit soft, but our rice are really softer, and Jamaican rice are really like kind of like hard. It's not soft. So in Ghana there's slight differences I can see here. That rices are a little bit harder compared to how Ghana we make our rice, because in Ghana we like our rice to be really soft. So I really enjoyed it. I don't know if you ever or have ever had a Jamaican food before and a Ghanaian food before, but if you have, I believe you can tell there's a little bit like difference, but it's really close when it comes to taste and how spicy it is and all this stuff. So put it under the comment below if you have had a taste, or if you ever had a taste of both food before, like whether it's a Ghanaian food, a Nigerian food, and also a Jamaican food. Just let me know, if you can tell the differences, or if you know the similarities between these foods. Just put it under the comment below, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button as well. Thank you guys. See you another time.